Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're all doing well. For those of you who don't know me, Simon Davis here, also known as Zone Trader. For those of you who do, welcome back. Here to provide more value. Today I'm going to be talking about how to trade turtle soups, which is basically a run on stops. So this is the hour chart on Great Britain USD. So basically, the market creates a high and then dips and then comes back up to take all the stops. So imagine that there's loads of stops above this high. This is what the so-called market makers will see. They'll see all the institutional stops above there, so they'll come up and run the stops, and when the price comes back into the range, that's when you look to enter a turtle soup on the hour. This is on the hour. So what you can do when the price comes back into the range and closes, you can then drop down to 50-minute chart and look for either a turtle soup order block or a breaker within the range. Or you can actually trade when the price comes back into the range straight away, but that's like a balls of steel entry, which you don't really want to do. So basically, for the low, it'll be, so as you can see here, you could mark this one off as a turtle soup, but it never comes back into the range until over here. But then it run stops here and also run stops down here. So again, you see all the stops below here, price ran the stops, and also below here, price ran the stops. So it's visually easy to see all the stops below these lows, below these swing lows, which is called liquidity grabs or run on stops. So turtle soup, price runs the stops, turtle soup's this low, comes back into the range. Once it comes back into the range and closes, you can drop down into like the 50-minute chart and look for an entry on the 15-minute chart. And I've marked off a few. It works if you're going in an uptrend, you look for bullish turtle soups. If you're in a downtrend, you look for bearish turtle soups or run on stops. And in a trending market, you trade them either side of the market here as shown. Some don't work, most do. Obviously with a positive risk reward, you'll be fine. And if you're looking to really speed up your learning, guys, we have an incredible course, full trading course and psychology course, and also we're holding weekly live calls for an absolutely amazing affordable price, which nobody else is doing. People are charging thousands for what we're doing over here, and it will really speed up your learning. So if you're looking to really speed up your learning, guys, then click the link in the bio, message me on Instagram and ask for the latest discount on the Pro Traders Price Action course. And if you're ready to tame the beast called NASDAQ, we also have an amazing program to do that as well. Our students are absolutely destroying NASDAQ with what we've got here. So if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, then reach out to us. If you enjoyed this video and found value in it, all I ask is if you like the video, comment below and share with one friend who you think this might benefit on their journey. Until next time, bye for now.